All right, so these are the lights that I hung, and they are at 25%. There's 50, 75, and 100. And you can have them at steady. And then they also have breath. And I do have to say the last ring of lights there is a separate product, one that my puppy did not eat. And then they also have flash. I think those could be nice for like a proposal or a dinner event or something like that, but they're actually quite lovely. And you can set it for 6 or 8 hours. And again, that's at 100%, 75, 50, and then 25, or you can just turn it off. So I'm really happy with it, especially because it clips at the top of the cattle panel where my puppy cannot reach and destroy it. And it comes with zip ties or hooks, however you want to hang it. I strung it up first with clothespins to make sure I like the layout. And I will zip tie it in tomorrow. But overall, very happy with the product. I would say the first 9 feet of the product has no lights on it. So just keep that in mind when you're ordering it. And I don't necessarily like the distance between the lights, whereas my last product
Okay, got all the lights hung. Super fun. Not really. Solar panel. See it? Little black square. Been up all day. I have a very hot backyard. A lot of sun. And I got nothing. Unless I push on the panel, like the button behind the panel, the remote doesn't work with fresh battery.
We purchased these lights in November of 2020. It is April of 2024, and they're still going strong. Anytime you have a bulb that seems to dim or go out, all you have to do is twist it back into its socket, and it lights.